Hold on to your shovels, kids. We're about to uncover the secrets beneath the ground. First up, the O-horizon. This top layer is full of organic material like leaves and twigs. Next, we have the A-horizon, also known as topsoil. It's rich in nutrients and where most plants grow. Dig a little deeper and you'll find the E-horizon. This layer leaches materials like clay and iron, making it lighter in color. Moving on, we hit the B-horizon or subsoil. It's packed with minerals and is way denser. Now we're getting serious with the C-horizon. This layer is made up of weathered parent material. Finally, we reach the R-horizon, the unweathered rock layer. It's the foundation of it all. So next time you're outside, remember, there's a whole world hidden in the soil. Stay curious and keep exploring.